Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Maryville TN, where we talk all things outdoor living. I'm here from Tuff Deck Builders Maryville TN, and today we're going to look at a question a lot of homeowners quietly worry about. Is your old deck still safe, or is it time for a full replacement? If you've lived in your home for a while, there's a good chance the deck has seen a lot of years, a lot of cookouts, and a lot of East Tennessee weather. Sun, rain, moisture, and temperature swings are tough on wood and hardware. The good news is, you don't need to be a contractor to spot some of the biggest warning signs. Let's start with the boards you walk on every day. Take a slow walk across your deck. Do you feel any soft spots, spongy areas, or places that bounce more than they should? Soft or springy boards often mean rot or decay has already started. You can also use a screwdriver to gently probe suspicious boards or areas near rail posts. If the tool sinks in easily, that wood is in trouble. Next, look at your railings. A safe deck has railings that feel solid when you lean on them. If your rails wobble, move at the posts, or feel loose where they attach to the framing, that's more than an annoyance. A shaky railing is a real safety risk, especially for kids, older family members, or guests who naturally grab the rail for balance. Now we move underneath. This is where many homeowners never look, but it's where we, as deck builders, spend a lot of time. If you can get under the deck safely, take a flashlight and look at the beams, joists, and posts. You're checking for cracks, heavy splitting, rot at the bottoms of posts, and any metal hardware that's badly rusted or pulling away. Posts that sit directly on the dirt instead of on concrete footings are a red flag, because moisture can travel right into the wood. You'll also want to pay attention to the spot where the deck connects to your home. That horizontal board, usually bolted to the house, is called the ledger. If that connection fails, the whole deck can pull away from the house. Look for missing bolts, rusted fasteners, or gaps between the deck and the siding. If water has been getting into that area for years, there may be hidden damage that needs a professional eye. So when is a repair enough, and when is it time to replace the whole deck? If you're seeing small, isolated issues like a few damaged boards or one loose railing, a targeted repair may be all you need. But if the rot is widespread, the framing is undersized, the railings are failing, or the posts and footings are in bad shape, it's usually smarter to invest in a full replacement. A new deck built with proper concrete footings, pressure-treated lumber, or composite decking, and modern hardware can give you a safe, long-lasting outdoor space instead of a patchwork that keeps failing. Think about how you actually use your deck. If you've added heavier furniture, a hot tub, or you're hosting more people than the original deck was designed for, the structure might not be built for that load. A new build lets us design the framing, posts, and footings to match how you really live, not just how the original builder guessed you might use the space. Here in Maryville and the surrounding neighborhoods like Eagleton Village, Alnwick, and Westmoreland Heights, we build decks to live in the real world, with humidity, storms, and years of use in mind. At Tuff Deck Builders Maryville TN, we focus on the structure first, then the look. We'd rather build you a deck that's a little overbuilt today than one that becomes a safety concern in a few seasons. If you're not sure where your deck stands, consider having it professionally inspected. A short visit from a knowledgeable deck builder can give you clear answers and options, whether that's a repair plan, a phased upgrade, or a full deck replacement with better materials. You can reach us at 865-345-5457 or visit tuffdeckbuildersmaryville.com to schedule a consultation and get straight, honest feedback on your current deck. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Maryville TN. Take a few minutes this week to really look at your deck, top to bottom. A careful check today can prevent a bigger problem tomorrow and set you up for a safer, stronger outdoor space for years to come.